Good morning and welcome to the ADS Securities Fundamentals Update for today. Beginning with the Asian session, there were no economic releases across the session, while the Turkish central bank raised the overnight rate in an extraordinary meeting to 12%, up from 7.75%, and the repo rate also was raised by to 10% from 4.5%, as the Turkish lira continued to decline by more than 11% since the beginning of the year. Following this decision, the Turkish lira rose by 4.15% against the dollar, despite that the Turkish Prime Minister stated that he opposed higher rates. On the other hand, the US President Barack Obama delivered his State of Union speech today and also raised the federal contractor minimum wages to $10 an hour. Going forward to the European session today, there are a few economic figures will be released today, but might not have an effect on the markets. German GfK consumer climate may rise to 7.8 in February, up from 7.6 in January. In the UK, nationwide HPI, or House Price Index, set to rise by 0.7 in January compared to 1.4 in December. And finally, Bank of England Governor Carney due to speak today at 12:15 GMT. As for the US session today, there is no economic figures to be released at the beginning of the session, while all eyes will be headed toward the FOMC decision at 11 p.m. Abu Dhabi time, 7 GMT. Traders and investors are expected the Fed to continue with its tapering process and may taper by more $10 billion of treasuries and mortgage-backed securities again, despite the latest development in the emerging markets. Along those lines, expect the markets to trade within a tight range until the Federal Reserve decision today. This is it for today. You can follow us on our social media sites, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube to get the latest breaking news, reports, and analysis. Thank you for watching.